she knows what she wants, she gets what she wants. Period.
But you'll never know until you try. Kasi parang, I didn't know. I was attracted to a trans woman until I dated one.
Yeah,
Parang,
yeah.
Same. Magno-notif talaga kasi ginawa ko. Tumawag ako. Ay, sorry, ano lang na, I mispress lang.
Andun siya, nakita ko siya sa, as in cross the street, ganyan. Sabi, ang ganda niya talaga.
Trans women are women and trans men are men. That's why
This is proof,
That's
guys.
why we like each other because I'm a woman, Jan's a man.
Yes. How's your heart?
Good.
Good. One word answer.
Atake.
But
Tumitibok-tibok naman pa rin siya. Every day.
I love it. I love it. If you guys are listening to the episode right now, maybe you already recognize those voices. Isa pa nga, isang hi naman dyan.
Hi guys, it's Miss Jade. Ay, hindi pala ako yun. Hindi pa. Hindi pala ako yun.
Mali,
Sorry.
mali.
Mali. Ibang character ko pala yun.
Take two ka.
Hey guys, it's Kylie. Ay, mga
Hi guys, I'm John Pablo.
Rar. Okay. So now that they already introduced themselves, let us all welcome Kylie and John. Miss Kylie, Celebra, beauty and lifestyle content creator, and Mr. John Pablo, production designer and content creator. I love it.
Pasabog.
Yes. And if you guys haven't seen their content, or if you have, I think the both of you are actually role models. Because you're showing your relationship online, diba? And not a
Yeah.
lot of people are brave to do that. And with everyone now, I think navigating everyone, di totoo yun kasi feel ko talaga lahat ng tao badi. I'm not even kidding. Like, I
We're all
think,
kind of gay, I guess.
yeah, like we're
At some point.
we're all in the spectrum.
Yeah.
Diba? So parang I feel
Laban
like,
lang.
no, kasi, hello, hindi ko rin, I feel like it's the patriarchal society dictating the both.
Everything, correct.
Yeah, anyway. And I feel like a lot of people are also inspired with your love story and like you're giving the LGBT community like visibility and representation, most especially in love. And of course, Lande, which I think we're gonna tap on to later. But my first warm-up question is, who made the first move?
I did. Ako yung nag-first move kasi parang ako yung like, yung pinakaunang dapat mag-message. Kasi we met on Bumble.
Okay.
So obviously, wala naman akong choice. Eh di, ako talaga nag-first
Pero
message.
ikaw talaga unang nag-swipe. Kasi pagka-swipe ko, match na eh.
Yaba?
Ito to naman. Pagka-swipe ko, match na tayo.
Oo, ganun yun. Ibig sabihin,
No, hindi. Parang
Una lang siya
possible siya
dumaan
because
sa
sa
feed.
akin,
oh.
nung niswipe ko din, nag-match din kami.
Ano yung sabay na sabay?
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 Joke.
Ano ba?
But yeah, anyway, parang first,
Na ano pa ako, ha?
nagsaset up pa lang ako ng account ko noon eh. So I didn't really know how to navigate. But yeah. Pero
Parang
alam ko
mali
na.
ka. Because ang pagkakatingin mo, alam mo, Dani, parang ano na to, iba, parang mag-aaway na ata.
Simula pa lang nag-aaway na kayo.
Hindi.
Bakbakan to.
In my defense, even sa lahat ng podcast at mga pinunta nating interview, ang unang kwento ko talaga is, may kasama kasi akong friend at the time, bestie ko. Tapos, nakita ko yung profile niya sa Bumble. Tapos sabi ko, okay, edi labang ko to. Sabi ko pa nga sa friend ko, kita mo to, jojowain ko to.
Ay,
Legit.
she said feminine intuition or
Yes,
something.
I manifest that.
I love
I really
that.
manifested it. Tapos nung pagkaganon ko, nag-match kami. Yun nga yung kwento ko parada. So hindi ko gets bakit, hello?
Pero ano,
Parang delusion yung sa'yo.
anong first message mo? Kasi a lot of people, they ask me, Ate Dani, paano lumandi online? Like, anong pwedeng first message? Don't tell me hi yung first message.
Hindi. Di kasi babalikan to pag nag-podcast. Kaya nag-isip talaga ako. I swear. Kung hindi ako nagjo-joke, medyo ang lala lang. Kasi pag content creator talaga, alam mo, bababalikan to, tapos tatanungin ng mga tao. So, nag-isip ako talaga ng pwede kong i-first message.
Tama.
Kasi dati lang ako, yung parang may naka-template, yung parang ika-copy-paste na lang.
Same naman.
Oo, parang dead man, no?
So usual yun sa babae. Namin template.
Alam nga
May
namang
template
lahat
talaga.
bagong tanong, di ba?
Ba yun? Magta-type ako yung sa isa. Yung mga namamatch ko, mga 100. Siguro,
What? Taray,
Ang ganda.
Ganda. Ano lang yun?
So nasingit ako.
Hindi. Mag-a-unmatch din yun pag nakita ng halatrans. Totoong buhay. So, ang minessage ko kay Jan, parang, I don't know if you're gonna see this, ganyan-ganyan. Ano yun?
I don't know if you're gonna see this or gonna notice this, pero I wanted to, basta something na you would notice this, sana.
Oh,
Ayan.
ayun, di ba?
Pero yeah, give,
So,
oo,
was it a
totoo.
question? Or...
Not really. It's the message of an introduction na.
Oo, na parang, hi, I don't know if you're gonna see this, ganyan-ganyan.
Pero true do, na puro high lang yung mga kasunod na
Puro high kasi.
Totoo
So,
nga.
you have to stand out. So, paano nangyari yung... Wait, ang dami tanong agad. Wala pa akong intro. Anyway, sige, go. So, paano tuloy-tuloy yung call?
Ayun, parang syempre, nauna siya, nag-message. Na, nung nag-match kasi kami, nagsiset up pa talaga ako ng account ko.
Ah, okay.
So,
So, hindi pa
parang-
tapos. May mga fill in
Oo,
the blank.
parang gano'n. Di ba may testing left and right, ganyan. Tapos, nung nag-message na siya, actually, siya yung unang message. Tapos may mga kasunod lang na hi. So, parang, syempre, magsa-stand out
May mga
talaga
nag-message
siya.
siya agad bago pa yung account.
Oo.
Sige, go. Sige, go.
Tapos, ayun, parang nag-ano lang ako na, okay, casually, kasi I wasn't really looking for anything. Gusto ko lang ng kausap at that time.
Yeah.
Honestly, to get.
Yeah.
Sabi ko pa, pag tumagal ako ng 1 linggo sa Bumble, premium ako. Pero yung ate mo, hindi ako binigyan ng 1 linggo.
Rar, she knows what she wants. She gets what she wants. Period.
Paano daw lumandi online? Kwento mo, paano mo ako nalandi?
Oh, paano yun? Paano yun? What did you do?
Hindi mo ako nilandi.
Pabalik.
Okay, bago mo ikwento yan, let us start it officially. So, Landitip, love beyond societal scripts, which I think wouldn't do just, like, I think this podcast would, like, the title would not do the story justice. Because parang first part pa lang, ang fun na ng kwentuhan natin. And thank you dahil sinabi niyo ayaw niyo serious. So at least we can really tap into a lot of things in this episode. So yeah, so welcome to the first and only flirting focused podcast in the Philippines where we destigmatize being malande and use flirting responsibly to empower and know ourselves more. Okay, so welcome my flirty butterflies. Thank you so much for tuning in this episode, and I feel like this episode will be so fun. So before we dive into your paano mo siya nilande? Because a lot of people want to know how to navigate the dating scene and of course, lumalandi online. Kasi
Correct.
even nga ngayon, like, di nila alam, lalandi ba sila through stories? Mag-reply ba sila? Paano mag-transition from online dating apps to in real life date, di ba? So, ayun, before we tap into that, I have this segment in my podcast called What's Your Land Dilemma? So, what's your Landi Dilemma?
Okay.
Kasi basically, every day, people would send me DMs or minsan email with their situation. So, naghanap ako ng specific na I think you guys would be able to help with. So, eto siya. Sabi niya,
Pasabog? Okay.
yeah, sabi niya, "Hi, Danny. Please keep my identity private na lang. I don't know if you can help with this, but wala na talaga akong makausap about this. May someone na nagpaparamdam sa akin, pero I get scared mag-reply or mag-respond kasi I'm not sure if I'm even gay. Ang confusing lang kasi I kinda like the attention, pero natatakot ako mag-lead on or magkamali. Parang I feel pressured na dapat alam ko na agad kung ano ako bago pumasok sa anything. I think I wanna give her a chance, pero natatakot ako kasi baka mapaasa ko lang siya. And I don't know if my family would be okay if they knew. Help, please."
Oh, so like, ang sinasabi and the question is like, a trans woman yung parang bet niya? Or like,
Parang sobrang vague eh. So,
kasi
Actually,
it sounds like trans woman. Kasi parang I'm not gay. Tapos biglang, kung ipapakilala ko siya sa family ko.
Not
baka-
really. Parang siguro, na hindi pa niya alam yung identity niya.
yes. More on like that, I think.
I think for me, parang ano lang naman siya eh. Okay lang naman to try and to see kung ano yung pakiramdam mo as a person. Kung like what you want.
Yeah.
As long as the person, the other party, alam niya kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. Hindi siya yung parang you're literally leading the person on. Parang kailangan aware siya na, oh, I'm not so sure about how I feel right now.
But we could try it.
But we could try. It's just that hindi lang din ako makakapag-promise na this will lead into something. But if it does, then it's great. Good.
Yeah.
Ayun yung nga.
Yun, for me, actually, parang, yes, syempre, kailangan mo malaman kung ano yung gusto mo. Pero how would you do that? How would you know that? Unless you try talaga.
Yeah.
you'll never know until you try. Kasi parang, I didn't know. I was attracted to a trans woman until I dated one. Kaya
Yeah.
parang,
Yeah.
Same.
tapos, so, yung kanya, in terms of family side, parang, nasa sayo na yun at the end of the day. Parang, how much do you want this person?
Gets. That's
In
true.
terms of family, Kasi parang, may pakika pa ba sa family mo kung talagang alam mong genuine yung tao and you really love this person. Parang, it's a trial and error pa rin talaga at the end of the day. Pero how much are you sharing with the other person? Your good intentions ba talaga? Or parang laying out. Parang, kunyari, I'm not really going to in a relationship,
Yeah.
but I want to test this. O parang, you just really have to be
Gets.
open.
That's true.
I think.
Correct.
Thank you. I'm curious though, since parehas yung sinabi niya, you didn't know that you would get attracted to a trans man and you with a trans woman. How did that work? Yun nga, going back to the...
Kylie dated trans men before.
Oo,
okay.
prior. Pero
Okay.
ano naman yun, parang nagsimula muna yun ng mga fantasy.
okay.
Testing muna.
Oo.
Testing waters ba kumbaga. Tinesting ko muna, parang avail ko ba to? Parang gagana ba siya pag umavail ako sa ganito? Kung ba, magigising ba ang manok pag nakakita ng ganon. So sabi ko, okay, sige, itatry natin. So gumana naman siya. Okay.
Okay.
Tapos, sinunod na sinubukan ko, nakipag-usap naman ako ng medyo serious naman, ng very light. Pero hindi ko naman i-deny na hindi ko sinamahan ng fantasy din, di ba?
Kasama yun, eh.
Kasama yun. So, sabi ko, okay, parang naman, pintig naman yung puso. Pumipintig naman yung puso. So, para I'm like, okay, sige, go, ilalabang ko to. Kasi so far, parang mas komportable ako for some weird reason. Kasi parang na-understand niya ako eh. Kasi
Gets.
I'm also going through the transition. So, parang siguro I'm gonna be more like myself. Parang ganun yung vibe niya for me.
Okay.
For me, parang, in terms of, sige, syempre, when you're attracted to a person, ako sige, I'll speak for myself na, syempre, unang titignan kung physically attracted ka.
Yeah.
Yun talaga,
Looks
for
will
me.
get your attention, but
Parang-
personality will make you stay.
Then, personality niya, syempre, yun. And then, another perspective is, syempre, sex. I mean, hindi na ako magkupo. Parang,
yeah.
yeah, so parang, if you know kung paano mo siya gagawin, ayun, with me, I researched din ganun kung paano. Kasi syempre, hindi ko alam eh. I've never dated somebody with different genitals than my own.
Yeah.
Tapos, ayun lang, parang, how much are you willing to accept? Or parang, pag may bago bang changes, are you willing to learn? Parang ganun din siya.
Gets.
So yeah, I mean, in terms of dating na different gender than you used to, you really have to have an open mind.
That's true.
Aside from sa accepting your own gender, accepting other people's then in your life.
Yeah, that's so nice. Okay, so thank you so much. Sana na-help din natin yung nagtanong
Correct.
ng question. But going back to your love story online. So what switched? What made you switch from the dating app to outside?
Actually, nung time na yun, parang nung nag-match kami, nag-usap, ganyan. Parang, kasi, hindi siya nagre-reply agad. Ang tagal bago nag-reply.
Sa Bumble to?
Oo.
Mahirap ka. Parang di ka nag-notif
busy-busyhan.
minsan, di ba?
Di din. Busy naman ako, pero nakikita ko naman, di ba?
Nag-notif. Kasi anong ginawa mo?
Magno-notif talaga kasi ginawa ko. Tumawag ako. Tapos nag-message ako after. Tapos sabi ko, ay, sorry, na I mispressed lang. Kasi I was just looking at your pics. Gano'n.
Smart. Pero sinadya mo yan.
Oo,
di ba?
parang, masaya, ayaw mo.
Ang dami mong time. Gusto ko talaga ni ate. Content creator na yan.
Gusto ko talaga siya, be.
I didn't know na content creator siya.
Okay,
Which is
that's
good.
nice. Which is good.
Which
Which
is
is good.
good.
That's true. That's true.
Pero nung nalaman ko, wala rin akong pake.
Mas nice talaga. I
That's
swear.
nice. I think you guys are meant
Parang
for each
wala man
other.
lang siyang na-shock na parang, you have so much. Kasi di ba usually they call it
Ayoko
out na
yun,
parang
sorry.
so much followers pala.
Oo. Kaya parang ayoko mag-switch from Bumble to Instagram kasi parang
Oo.
mag-iiba yun.
Kaya ka binibigay ko yung number ko.
Hindi,
But yun yung
hiningi
gagawin
ko
ko
yung
susi.
number mo.
Ay, oo.
Kasi-
Tas
Okay, parang matagal kasi ako in a relationship back then. And then, I was single for a year lang. And then, first time ko mag-online dating.
Okay.
Tapos, tinuturuan lang ako ng friends ko na, hindi na number hinihingi, tito ka ba? Ganun.
Ako mas prefer ko. Ako mas
Ayun.
prefer ko na
I
na
asked for
parang
her number mo.
Okay.
number.
Actually, it's more different eh. And you wouldn't have like preconceived notions about each other based on the profile. Which is nice. Okay, so who asked the other on a date? Paano nag-transition from conversations to dating?
Okay, parang nasa event si Kylie nun. And then she was parang
No, I
saying,
was going to an
Hindi,
event.
hindi. You were in an event, yung
Already.
white something. And then you were telling me na, oh, baka you're dating someone else. So parang may kausap ka pa. Well, we're open naman. Kasi parang, we're bomba. Hindi naman kami exclusive. We're just talking. I mean, alam naman natin na, hello, dating app siya. So parang,
Yeah.
tas yeah. And then parang, sabi ni Kylie, siguro, I mean, tito ka kasi. Parang inasar niya talaga akong tito kasi we have 8 years difference eh.
Okay. You're 8 years older.
8 years older ako.
Whoa, okay.
Yeah. And then parang, I live in Zambales back then. So parang hindi talaga ako city boy nung time na yun. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi ka kasi pumaparty, ganyan. Pero I mean, alam ko yung girl mind game na, pupunta sa mama mo ba? Pupunta ka ba? Parang gano'n. So, yeah.
Sorry.
She's planning to go to the event nun sa Poblacion. Tapos yun, parang sabi ko, hindi ko pa talaga alam that time. So, I played by the ear ako. Pero like, I had an intention to go, pero hindi ko alam yung time ko kasi. Kasi I had something to do that day. And then yun, sinurprise ko.
Which is, nagpa-derma ka ba dun? Hindi ba? Alam ko.
Ibang araw pa yun.
Ay, ibang araw pa.
Binilix mo, ha?
Mas memorize niya.
Oo nga.
But yeah, ayun. Tapos, pumunta na ako doon actually, pumunta ako doon. Wala siya masyadong alam sa akin. I don't disclose what I work what I do. Ganon.
So, message lang talaga, landian lang sa text, gano'n.
Kasi parang
Actually, hindi siya
conversation.
landian.
Getting to know.
Parang getting to know
Okay,
siya.
that's nice. So, how long was that before mo siya sinurprise? Months? Weeks?
1 week lang.
1 week, okay.
Mabilis, di ba?
Hindi, pero I prefer that kasi
Ako
yung
din,
matagal
ang
bago
tagal,
kayo
may
mag-meet.
ganon.
Tapos pag nakita niyo in real life, di pala kayo jive. So,
Tsaka
Yeah.
nag-video call naman kami the day before.
Okay.
Para, okay, hindi to fishing, hindi ganda yung mukha niya, mamaya retakada.
okay,
Pero yeah. Pero yun yung first impression ko nung nakita ko naman siya. Parang her nose, ang tangos talaga. Gawa kaya yun. Pero totoo daw. Ginanon niya.
Ginanong-ganon ko ba sa camera? Ayan, Beo.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So, ano yung naramdaman mo nung sinurprise ka niya? Like, kinilig ka?
Parang hala nandiyan na siya.
Parang ka naging
Nagbanyo
grade
muna
school
ako,
ulit.
nagbanyo
Wow.
muna ako nun. Sabi ko, alam mo, pag-retouch muna. O ganyan ata. Tapos nung time na to, doon lumabas ako. Be, paglabas ko ng nasa kami na to, apoteka. Be, paglabas ko, wala siya doon. Pero naman na siya. Sabi ko, ba't siya nawawala? Parang sabi mo, dito ka na, wala ka naman dito.
So, hinanap
Tapos sabi
mo
ko,
na.
baka nang-eme lang.
So, asan ka nun?
Okay, shy boy kasi talaga ako na. As in, before,
Introvert?
hindi. Siguro, sa pag hindi ko crowd,
Okay.
I'm very shy. Ganon. Tapos, so pumunta ako doon sa harapan ng apoteka, wala siya, umalis ako.
Malis agad.
Kasi parang nag-antay lang ako na nakikita ko. Okay, 2 minutes, alis na ako.
Gagi, parang diba?
Yun, sobrang torpe siguro. Pero sabi niya, asan ka na, balik ka na? Yun. Tapos naglakad na ako babalik. Nandun siya, nakita ko siya as in cross the street, ganyan. Sabi, ang ganda niya talaga. As in from head to toe. Tas,
Taray.
as in,
Kitang-kita naman.
Oo. As in, suot talaga na ating mong girl.
Wala pa akong dede no na abel nga na agad. Pero
Pero yeah, ayun. Sobrang chicks niya. Tapos sobrang haba ng pila sa apoteka noon. Tapos, dire-diretso yung ate mo. Sabi ko, hindi ba to, wala bang payment or parang ganon? I mean, I'm not used to it.
papakitaan mo na agad siya agad ng VIP treatment.
Slay, girl.
Diba? Pakita mo na siya agad
These
na
are the
parang-
perks
Diba?
of dating Neil.
Oo. Ayan, nakakapasok ka dito nang wala tayong haaberyahin. Ganun.
Wala pa akong pakialam na. I really don't know. As in, wala akong alam sa ganun
Yeah.
crowd before.
Correct.
Tapos yun, umakit naman kami. Tapos kasama lang niya ako. Tapos never niyang pina-feel sa akin na I'm just somebody else. Parang lagi niya ako hinahawakan. Hindi niya ako pinapa-left out. Ganun.
Aww. Ano yung introduction mo, like, sa friends mo sa kanya?
Parang wala lang. Parang, oh guys, this is Jan. Ganun lang, normal. Tao-tao.
Okay, so that's a landi tip for you guys. You don't have to put a label agad.
Oo,
This is the
tao-tao
person.
lang.
Just say the name.
Yeah, just introduce him like a regular person. Di mo para sabihin na parang, alam mo yan, we're kinda like pumpuru. Parang gaganong-ganong ka pa, arte-arte pa. Totoong buhay lang. Wala ka naman label eh. Di ba
totoo.
dating? Pauso. Hindi. So, nung pagkanakalala ko siya ganyan, okay naman. Tapos, ang impression ko lang talaga sa kanya, I really hated his hat. Yung like suot niya, I swear, I
was
still talk
wearing
Hindi mo
about
pinatanggal, gano'n.
Hindi. Kasi baka sabihin niya, ano ba naman yun, pinapatanggal sa akin. Controlling agad.
Sinabihan niya pa ako no, parang ganito talaga manamit, o tipo.
Oh,
I would do that, honestly.
girl.
Honestly, I would ask
cannot.
that.
Kasi parang I think it was a little bit too edgy for me. Kagaya na sabi ng ibang friends ko, it's kind of giving like Peaky Blinders or some shit like that.
Ay, pero you started wearing one of those nung eventually.
I'm gonna say, there was
It's a
like,
classic parang newspaper boy hat.
Okay.
asa na ba? Ipapakita
Hindi
nila.
lang usual aesthetic mo, girl.
Oo, wala siya sa clean girl fantasy. Charing. Charot.
Parang ano lang, yung ex ko dati, nakikinig siya ng ex-battalion. Tapos pinagawayan namin. So, break
Ayan,
kami.
oh.
Nagustuhan ko na ex-battalion. Ala. Oh, ikaw.
First meet yan, te.
First meet. Ala. Grabe yung glow up nyo. Since that
Pasabog
day.
siya, te.
Kailan yan? Anong
Second
year?
day. The next day.
2023
The next day agad?
The next day ba? Parang 2 days after.
na. Oo.
The next day.
That's
The next day,
2023?
2023.
Ang tagal nyo na pala.
Oo, te.
Almost 3 years na.
Oh my gosh. That's
Tapos ito yung photo niya nung ano, oh. Sa Bumble. As in, naka-save pa. Ayun, oh, July 7. July 7, 2022.
She kept the receipts.
Oo.
That's so cute.
Ang wala lang kami, screenshot ng mga messages.
Hindi nyo sinave?
Hindi.
Bakit?
Nag-delete kasi kami ng Bumble eventually. Tapos biglang, o nga pala,
Did
hindi
you
natin na-screenshot.
Sayang. I-chat GPT nyo na.
Ano na yan, AI na lang.
Inventohin nyo na lang.
Parang,
Ano yun? Like, since, diba, you saw each other for the first time sa apoteka, tapos the next day, nagkita na ulit kayo. So, like, nag-jive na agad kayo in the first meet.
Hindi, actually, nung time na yun, basta, nagkaka-aberya kasi sa bahay.
Okay.
Gusto ko talaga lumabas. Tapos sabi ko, is it okay if like, na lang, yung offer mo nun was supposed to be movie.
Okay.
Basta nagka-problema, nagka-aberya, tapos parang ang ending, napunta kami sa Antipolo. Sa Antipolo.
Wow.
Okay, kasi nilaktaw
In
mo
the cafes,
yung
ganon.
kwento niya nilaktaw
Ito, lagi kang,
niya.
lagi kang
Sorry.
kulang. Buti pa siya memorize.
Nung night na yun, ng apoteka. So,
Oo nga
syempre,
pala, yeah.
hindi ako nagsasalita. Sobrang thankful ko kasi I don't know what to say.
Yeah.
As in, really.
Yeah.
Tapos, parang I'm still in shock na this is a trans woman that I'm dating na halos kahit ko lang. Tapos, ang sexy niya talaga. Tapos, she wanted to go out somewhere we can talk. Tapos sabi niya, basta somewhere na may aircon. Sabi ko, I don't know. You're asking a boy na kapag pabalik lang ng city.
Oo nga naman.
Tapos,
Hindi ko naman kasi alam. In my defense, hindi ko alam.
Okay.
so sabi ko, gusto mo mag-drive na lang? Sabi niya, you have a car? Ganyan. Sabi ko,
Hindi naman kasi niya sinabi. Mamalay ko ba?
ayun nga, kasi
May car
ano nga,
pala siya.
sharing, ganyan. Tapos, dinrive ko siya. Kaya plan ko talaga mag-drive lang. Dinala ko, apoteka to NLEX.
Mari.
Makati to
Oh my
Index.
God.
Yung Starbucks sa
Sana
Petron,
diniretso nyo na lang sa
Kay Antonio.
LU.
Be, naguro sabi ko talaga, hala shucks, hindi para mamaleta yung trans. Like, hindi ako mamamaleta, ate. Tapos, ginawa ko, nag-send ako ng location sa mga friends ko para, hala shucks, be, baka mamaleta
At least
ako.
adventure siya.
Oo,
You don't
te.
know where you're going.
Takot na takot pa ever since nung naririnig ako mga, kasi it really happens the trans girls, they really get killed. Like, oo,
my
besh. So,
gosh.
parang like, very careful talaga ako sa mga mapupuntahan. Well, so far naman, the entire time, naman siya.
Mukha naman maalaga.
Mukha naman maalaga naman siya ng time na yun.
Oo.
Tapos pinahirap ko siya ng tsinelas kasi nahirapan na siya sa heels niya.
Oh.
Tiil.
Doggy, ang fantasy naman ng love
Oh.
story from Apollo.
O bakit? Di, ibig sabihin, pinahiram niya ako ng tsinelas. So, ibig sabihin, babalikan niya pa yung tsinelas.
Ayun.
May
Kaya-
next me.
Kaya nagkita the next day. Sabi ko, sige, uwi mo yan para may
Smart,
dahilan
smart.
ako for a second.
Pasabog siya.
That's so cute.
Yun. Tapos yun na yung nagaya ako ng movie. Kasi para akong high school pag uwi ko, hindi ako makapaniwala sa kanya. Parang gumagano na ako sa
Bumabalentong
kama.
daw siya, be.
Okay.
Oh, Lord,
Kinikilid
Lord.
ako.
Nakita mo na, Lord. Ang gusto ko rin ng ganyan, Lord. No, kasi talaga, like, now in the dating scene, sobrang hirap makaharap ng person na jive talaga kayo. Tapos parang, I feel like what happened with you guys is really like serendipity. It just happened in the right time. And I don't think you guys assumed or like, parang hindi nyo in-expect nagganon din talaga yung mangyayari.
Pero actually, nung una,
Oh.
to be fair, medyo naboboringan ng kausapin si Jan. Totoo naman talaga, kahit siya din naman, sasabihin din naman niya yun, na ang
Okay,
boring ng
okay.
kausap.
Okay.
As in, the first fantasy of our relationship, ako talaga nagbuhat.
Yung 1 week talaga na yun. Kaya
Yung
sabi ko
1
sa'yo,
week
paano
na
mo ko
yun.
nilandi, di ba?
Oo, ako nagbuhat talaga throughout the entire time because he barely shared like personal information. As in like,
How did it work?
parang eventually, nung parang pagdating na ng 4th or like 5th date, parang doon ko na nakikita yung personality niya. Which, ano kasi akong
So
person.
may ano ka lang talaga boundaries muna before you
Oo.
actually open up.
Ako naman kasi parang, ano naman ako, give chance naman. Oo, parang give chance naman. Parang baka meron, may maibubuga pa siya. Which is tama naman. Ngayon naman ako na yung nagkakasakit ng ulo kasi ang kulit niya sobra.
OMG, ginulat ko siya the other night. Galit na galit sa akin. As in, umiyak siya sa galit.
Bakit?
Ginulat ko lang.
Ay, ko na mag-hormones.
It's just women. Period.
Women things.
Oh yeah, women things. Oh my, that's so funny. Okay, that's cute. Pero eto na lang, like what do you guys admire most about each other? Before and now. When you started and now.
I think I really admire yung like, pagiging straight to the point niya. Kasi like, never niya ako ni-lead on. Never ako na parang,
Mixed
na-feel ko na,
signals.
wala ko na akong mixed signal sa kanya. Parang basta ako pa siya ng mixed signal sa akin. Yun, parang I really like yung like hindi talaga ako na hirapan in terms of like my expectations.
Yeah. Because the communication was
Oh,
there
yeah.
talaga. Okay. Oh yeah. Para may
Oh yeah.
better than sex.
Oh yeah.
Pero for me, parang ang na-admire ko talaga sa kanya from the start until now naman is the confidence she brings to herself. Parang the way she presents herself. I couldn't. Ay, parang, okay, how do you do it? How do you present it like that? Parang just believe in yourself or parang maniwala ka. Di kung naniniwala kang maganda ka, di maganda ka. I mean, di ba?
Delusion. Delusion lang talaga.
Yeah. Pero yeah, I mean, di ba, you don't have to set standards for others. Parang ikaw, basta you present yourself as long as you have good intentions.
That's true. So na-influence ka rin niya to be more confident.
Even a simple posture lang na parang, okay, you walk like that. Di lang. Pero wag na huwag yung gumaganon.
Iba tayo. Iba tayo pag gano'n. Aray.
Aw, that's so nice. Pero when you were starting, did you announce it agad on social media or hindi? Did you give it time? Because personally ako, I feel like if I get a boyfriend, feeling ko gusto ko private muna kami for like some
Parang we were kind of private. Kind of. Kasi parang the first few weeks of like dating, actually yung nakakatawa, ginamit ko na siya agad sa content. Parang early on pa lang. Parang kasi,
Ito ba?
yan, parang ito lang yung nakita sa kanya. Tapos yung boses, yun lang. Tapos, parang people were really like, hala, kilala namin yan, Pumpuruhu. May mga nakakakilala sa
nagko-content ka rin
kanya.
talaga.
No.
Ay.
People knew my tat.
Oo, yung tattoo kasi niya.
So, yung mga nag-comment, friends mo? Or like,
Friends niya.
Friends ko na pina-follow siya or parang office mates ko.
Oo.
Pero
So,
people
medyo-
are not confronting me back
Oo,
then.
hindi.
Kasi hindi ko rin naman siya pinopost.
Okay,
Oo.
okay.
Tapos, nung
Spicy.
nung tumagal, parang usual, soft launch atake. Tapos, eventually, parang nagka-photo na kami together na parang, parang ipapost
Worthy
ko na to.
post
Oo.
na ilang months? O,
4
nagbilang na
months.
siya.
4 months.
Okay.
Bago yung talagang
That's a
face.
decent
face.
time.
Oo.
Pero
Ano yun? Okay.
People were messaging na, si Kali ba yung date mo? Parang gano'n.
Oo.
Aww. Pero anong time na yun? LDR kayo?
No.
No.
Nandito ka na talaga sa city.
Oo, Manila na siya.
Okay, okay. Pero you were living alone? Or?
I was living alone talaga.
At tas ito pa yung magandang plot twist. Kung saan siya nagsistay nung time na bago kami, dun din yung village kung asaan yung family ko. So
That's
like,
so convenient.
I know.
What are the odds, bro?
Tas
What the heck?
I know how to go there. I know where to
Oh
go.
my
So,
gosh.
like,
those are all the signs. Like,
Yeah,
Check,
tapos
check,
isipin
check,
mo pag galing event. Kasi
Oo.
syempre, the guys would normally be like, so hatid na kita Pumpuruhu like that. So hinatid ako. Tapos parang nung tumagal, parang na-realize ko, ang convenient na like literal pag ihatid mo ko, na madadaanan mo lang pa uwi, going to your place.
yeah, that's so nice. I feel like,
Parang pares passing ka naman.
Mm-mm.
oh. Sana all.
Masabog.
Yeah. So, yung hard lunch nyo, what happened? Like, did you get positive comments? What were the...
Actually, parang we never made it a big deal naman nung umpisa na parang we're both trans.
Yeah.
Yeah, we never made it a big deal nung umpisa.
Yeah.
Tapos eventually, I was like, you know what? I feel like people would find this inspiring because I always look up to a lot of like trans people din naman on social media, and I realized, you know what? Parang I don't see a lot of like trans representation in the Philippines.
Yes.
I do, like nowadays when we came out, when we showed ourselves to the public, parang mas dumami yung mga nakita ko sa FYP kung hala, fantasy na rin kayo ng ganyan. Parang sabi ko, that's nice kasi you guys aren't scared to show up and be proud about your relationship.
And parang in social, kaya I really wanted to guest you guys. Kasi out in social media, kayong dalawa lang yung alam kong trans na in a relationship.
Actually, meron naman out
Meron
there.
naman.
Pero like,
Okay.
kaya kami nag-share online to
Yeah.
have a representation to
Correct.
share the story of yung
And this
favorite
is
line.
possible, period.
Love is love.
Love is love. Okay, sige. Eto, now that we are talking already about your trans to trans relationship, do you think being trans gives you a unique understanding of each other na others might not immediately see? Or like, do you think that if, for example, the both of you aren't trans, ano yung difference, would you think, in the relationship? Since I think you're both are going through the same thing.
Parang for me, we are, yes. Parang in aspects of like respect. Parang may ano kami doon, may extra push kami sa part na yun na parang, okay, perfect. We understand yung mga changes and stuff like that. Pero other than that, parang kung ano yung like struggles in normal relationships, it's literally just the same thing. Kasi alam mo yun, ang pinakaiba lang naman is like we understand yung like yung struggles, yung like yung respect namin with like Soji and like parang yung mga bugnutin energy namin. We understand it because we both go through the same thing then. The same.
Actually, parang yun yung misconception na dahil trans kami, parang same yung direction namin. Not really, because every trans person have this transition journey on its own. Parang may similarities, yes, pero hindi pa rin siya same all in all because of other aspect. Ganyan.
More, can you expound more on the like similarities?
Ang similarities,
Going through the stages, diba? Paano ba yung different?
siguro parang one, you have to know if you're trans, or parang paano ka napunta sa decision that you're trans. Parang yun. Similarities in such a way na knowing na trans ka. And then second is, if considering for transition, yung mga ganun, and considering for surgeries that you want for reassignment, ganyan. And then, siguro, most often than not, people want to change their names, ganyan. And choosing a dead name, choosing, changing your dead name, ganyan. Ayun, siguro yun yung mga same. Pero, yung journey of like day-to-day life of it.
Yeah,
Yun
like
yung
physical
sinasabi ko.
changes, emotional changes, they're all completely different and like may wavelength talaga siya. It's not just like ganun lang.
So for every individual it's different. Pero in terms of our dynamic as a couple, being trans, non-trans, actually feeling ko never namin talagang pinag-usapan na, oh, you're trans, and then we have the same thing.
Yeah.
Eventually na-realize na lang namin, it's basically nagsusmooth jive lang siya nang without having to explain ourselves na lang.
Yeah, yun lang.
So parang, kunyari, I dated cis female back then na parang, ang daming tanong na pagiging trans ko. Parang ito lang tanong mo sa akin.
No, like, no, hindi masyado on your personal life.
really.
Which happens to me as well.
Gets.
Yun lang yung mga things na parang
Sana
napadali.
ginugel mo na lang.
Oo, at napadali sa amin because we didn't have to feel na parang kailangan pa namin mag-explain at mag-come out sa isa't isa. Parang gets na namin
Gets
agad.
na.
din, man.
Yeah.
This is, actually, we learn from each other din. Actually, ako kasi, syempre, first ko nga si Kylie na trans woman.
Yeah.
And then, ang dami ko natutunan on their perspective. Kasi syempre, yung mga nakakasama ko were more trans men and lesbian, mga ganun.
Yeah.
A few gay people, pero like not really trans women.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Do you think your relationship, or like how do you think your relationship changed how people view queer love? Lalo na in this dating scene na...
Dating queer love, siguro parang, feeling ko meron pa din ng stigma na, ano yan? Or parang yung question na parang, tama ba yun? Yung
No,
parang,
but like the both of you make sense.
oo.
Yeah.
Gets.
Parang it only proves na
Totoo,
parang,
wait, ano yung sabi mo kanina? You're straight, a straight
yeah,
couple.
we're straight with extra steps.
Straight couple.
Straight couple with extras. Pero hindi, dun mo talaga malalaman that trans women are women and trans men are men. That's why
This is proof,
That's
guys.
why we like each other because
Yes.
I'm a woman, Jan's a man.
Yes. Yes. That,
Yun lang yun.
gusto ko yung straight couple with extra steps. Period. I love it. Eto na lang, what are your love languages? Like giving and receiving. Kasi magkaiba yun eh.
Yeah.
So, parehas ba kayo? Match ba kayo? Or do you have to say it to each other, communicate it to each other before you actually understood each other's love languages?
Parang for me, ang love language ko talaga is words of affirmation.
Okay. Receiving or giving? Both.
Receiving.
Receiving. Okay. Yung giving mo.
Ang giving ko, parang nabago na siya because nababago siya because of like how you want to express your love to your partner then or like the people around you. Parang nagiging ano na siya, acts of service na because yun yung gusto niya eh.
That's nice. Okay.
Yeah, parang nag-adjust na rin siya because we've been together for almost 3 years. So parang,
Was it a hard adjustment for you? No naman.
Totoo, hindi, totoo.
Oo. Nagkaroon ba ng away na parang kailangan mo i-explain na ito kasi, this
And
is
then,
how I
Parang
want.
hindi siya doon sa keme na
Actually,
yun.
nag-start kami, inask ko yung love language niya. Actually, pinasagot ata kita, no?
Oo, yeah. Pinasagot niya din ako ulit.
5 love languages.
Correct.
Ko siya. Tapos, syempre, for me to understand. Kasi,
Yes.
syempre, it's a different thing talaga.
Yes.
And then, yung sa akin kasi is acts of service, receiving talaga.
Okay.
Ang giving mo ano?
Feel ko acts of service din, pero I assure her every time na,
Yeah.
okay, kahit mag-away tayo what, mahal kita, hindi pwede, gets, para I need time sometimes, pero I still love you. I assure you, parang ganun. And I always tell her how beautiful she is.
Yun lang talaga yun.
That's true naman. Yun ang bungad ko sa kanila. Ang
Yun lang,
ganda.
thank you. Pasabog.
So, kasi other couples, they have a hard time adjusting to each other. Pero I believe kasi na if you really love someone, you would go the extra mile to understand how they receive love. Kasi syempre, kunyari, ako, giving ko words of affirmation, mas receiving niya acts of service. So, kailangan ka rin mag-adjust. It's not that it's, parang ang dami kasi nagreklamo na, hirap naman mag-adjust. Pero kung mahal mo naman yung tao,
Ba't ka natatawa? Kasi maraming ganyan kasi.
Yun.
Nakastress.
If you love the person, you would want to adjust.
Listening and understanding na
Correct.
you will try, di ba? Yung parang
Yes.
putting it into action. Alam mo yun, magkaiba yun eh. Siyempre, parang kami dati, hindi pa ganun yung dynamic namin. Kasi nandun ka sa dating stage na
Yes,
kinikilala mo
getting to know
isa't isa,
ya.
di ba?
Yeah.
So parang, nung una, she adjusted din talaga. Kasi ako, hindi kasi ako mahingi ng help. Tapos parang, she wants to put my walls down. Na parang, okay, humingi ka ng tulong.
Capricorn kasi
Ibibigay
siya.
ko.
So I'm like, oh my God, humingi ka ng tulong. Hindi naman pa pwede ikaw lang parate.
Grabe magmahal si Kylie.
Oo, like, ask for help, it's
Yeah.
fine.
Parang yun kasi, parang for me, okay, inask mo, tapos sabi mo, gagawin mo, pag hindi mo ginawa, medyo nag-aalboroto ako.
Kasi ulihanin ako sometimes. So like, parang if he asks for help, I'm like, oh shit, I forgot. Sorry. Ulihanin, kasi na-anesthesia kasi ako eh.
Pero
Oh my
yun, sometimes, syempre, nag-uusap pa rin kami on those things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pero alam mo, there was a time then in a relationship, hindi pa to bring up ever in any kind of keme. Parang actually, na aberya si Jan sa akin, nung medyo bago pa kami, is that, nung Christmas, binigyan niya ako ng gift. Tapos nung Christmas, hindi ko siya binigyan ng gift.
Yeah, hindi naman ako receiving gifts. Okay lang.
Okay. But the thought, kasi,
Hindi.
Oh my God.
Christmas.
I know.
Yeah, I know. Parang wala siyang binigay na gift talaga sa akin.
I forgot. Kasi kala mo matutusin.
long
Pero
were you
eto,
talking?
yun yung first Christmas together. Tapos sabi ba niya,
Gano'ng katagal na kayo nag-usap nun?
6 months, ganyan.
Babe,
I know.
6 months.
Danny, sorry. But like, hindi kasi ang nangyari. We were always together. Tapos parang, sa sobrang we're always together, I forgot na parang, oo nga pala, no?
Pero
Hindi
kung
pa natin
pamilya niya,
nabigyan.
binilhan niya, sinamahan ko bumili.
Parang nalimutan ko. Oh my goodness. Tapos, meron kasi akong panata. Meron akong promise to myself kasi growing up. I think this is more of a guarding myself kind of situation. Because yung parang chika ng mga matatandang LGBT.
Oh.
Yung parang kapag kapag trans ka or parang you're the femme, parang ikaw yung lagi nagbibigay ng money sa lalaki. Parang I told myself na parang girl, no.
I will
no,
not
I
be
will
that
not. I will not be giving you gifts.
Ayun,
Yeah,
wala.
Thanks. Wala talaga.
Wala talagang binigay ang
Oh
ate ko.
my
eh.
gosh.
Nakakaloka
Parang sa akin
ka,
nung dati,
ate.
naalala ko nung first love ko, ang bigay ko lang sa kanya coffee. Tapos masaya na ako na parang, may bigyan ka ng coffee. Parang masaya na ako nun. Tapos realize ko nung naging gabi, parang oo nga no, sorry.
Ayun,
Nagalit ka?
Actually, hindi.
Okay,
Wala
okay,
akong hard
okay.
feelings na. Nagkaroon ako ng hard feeling that yung Christmas na next year.
Kasi wala pa rin.
Hindi. Eto na, meron na. Meron na.
Meron na. Uy,
Okay,
in-important
bibigyan na
ko
sa
yan.
ate
In-important
girl.
ko.
Tapos, sabi niya, may gift ako sa'yo. Tapos,
Yay! Finally! Oo.
I mean, okay lang sa akin. Honestly, wala akong hard feelings talaga. Tapos, parang the next year, sabi niya, may gift ako sa'yo. Tapos sabi ko, parang, bakit kinuha mo na yung Uniqlo na gusto ko? Kasi
May
parang
Uniqlo kasi siyang gusto.
we
Tapos
always
parang
go to
worth
Uniqlo.
500 lang or something like that. Tapos na-offend ako na parang like, ha? Bakit Uniqlo lang? Kung pwede naman pasabugin pa natin ang
doon ko
buong.
sinabi sa kanya na,
So, offend ako, te.
na-offend siya. Tapos doon ko sinabi na, wala ka namang gift nga sa akin last year eh.
Oh.
I mean, wala akong standard.
Okay, yeah,
wala
yeah.
akong bar to
Okay.
put in. I mean, basta na ako white shirt lang, promise. I mean, yun lang.
Tapos sumabog yung
Tapos parang nagalit siya. Tapos parang, Tapos doon niya palang na-realize na, oo nga, wala nga akong binigay. So, guess parang, okay. Wala akong hard feeling, promise. Pero wala akong standard kasi. So, parang, we always go to Uniqlo. Yun, parang,
It's just the little thing.
Sorry.
But
Oy, maganda yung binili ko sa kanya, ha. Tapos hindi to yung charot-charot lang, ha. Yung like, binilang ko siya ng Carhartt na na magandang jacket. Yung mahal yung jacket sa Carhartt, ha. Jacket tapos t-shirt na bongga.
period. What do you think? Like, coming into 3 years in your relationship, what do you think is like a healthy, ano ba daw? How do you make your relationship healthy in a sense?
Oh, we always talk.
Communication talaga.
Always.
No? Yeah. Ano yun? Meron kasi yung kilalang couple na may Monday debrief sila. May ganun ba kayo? Like,
Wala. Parang nagdi-debrief kami parati.
Parang-
that's nice.
Yeah.
usually nangyari yan sa car, on our way home, ganun. Parang,
Oo. Parati
How
sa
do you
car.
solve misunderstandings. May
Nai-stress-
ma-pride ba?
Actually,
Ganun.
dito ako na sa stress. Because I am the type of person kasi na parang, if there is an issue, can we freaking talk about it now?
Period.
Like, pwede bang like, na siya nangyari, dead man na sa like pakiramdam mo kung sad-sad or galit-galit ka dyan, I don't care. But let's freaking fix it and
Bago tayo
talk
matulog.
about it. Bago tayo matulog, bago yung mga important stuff. Because, ano kasi ako, like, feeling ko nadala na ng hormones, nadala na rin ng
Past
professional person kasi ako. So, parang ayoko na nagdadagdag ng like, so hindi ako parang si Ariana Grande na parang heartbroken, tapos nagkakakanta na gano'n na parang okay lang. Hindi. So, parang I like to make sure talaga na clear yung mind ko, lalo bago matulog or like pag may work.
kasi for me, kailangan ko ng time. Kasi, pag hindi mo binigay, baka masigawan kita. I mean, lalabas.
Get.
Oo. Yun din lang kami
Ano yun?
nagkaka-aberya.
Paano kayo nag-a-adjust pag gano'n?
Nag-adjust si Kylie a bit.
Yeah.
MD a bit. Nag-adjust sa malaki instead sa,
Wow, grabe
you have to
magbulakay.
wait. Okay, wait lang. Pero nag-adjust din ako na, kasi dati hindi talaga. Kasi parang, mahaba, gano'n. Nag-adjust naman ako.
Ganda
Okay.
ganun yung face niya pag humihinga yung may ganun.
So, kailangan ko magbilang
Oo.
ng mga 1 to 10 to 100. Tapos
So, parang
kausapin ko.
therapist
Tagal
ang
mo.
kausap mo.
Hindi.
100 yung...
Kasi parang kailangan ko intindihin mo na ano yung lalabas sa bibig ko bago ko sabihin sa'yo.
That's nice.
Ayun.
So, pinabibigyan ko siya. Like, naghihintay ako even though may mga moments na parang ilang oras, tas ako parang, hindi na ako makahinga, magbe-break na ata kami. Like, what the heck? Ganun.
Oh,
Anxious person kasi
Pero I
ako.
feel like kasi ikaw, you don't, maybe may past experiences ka na people would say out of pocket things dahil galit. So you wouldn't want her to experience that.
I mean, aaminin ko naman, dati parang pag galit talaga.
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon, parang I don't want to do that. Kasi parang I am changing. Pas parang, si Kylie kasi natuto ako sa kanya na to talk more ng, paano ba, ng mas maayos.
Yeah,
Parang there
to
are
communicate.
ways to communicate na there are 100 ways to say a sentence.
Yeah.
Parang ganon.
Yeah, I taught him that. Na parang, if there are ways for you to be able to speak properly and more kalmado, more malambing to people in general, parang that would be better.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman siya sa pagiging plastic, but it's more so it just reflects who you are as a person.
Yeah. And hindi mo naman kasi alam kung ano pinagdadaanan ng ibang tao. So it's better to be kind
Yeah.
than to... That's
Yeah, ayun. Yung facial niya out there when she goes to an event, sobrang tapang. Pero when it's
Na binabago ko na. Guys, na binabago ko na. So if you see me sa event, try to talk to me. Okay?
Girl, the first event I ever went to as an influencer was Kiko Milano. And I saw you. And I was like, oh, I'm sorry, I won't talk to you.
Sorry na.
Kasi
RVF
ano
ako
talaga,
nun.
pasok talaga siya. It's parang poker face, parang kikuha ng products. Parang, okay, picture. And then,
Gag.
Yeah, pero yun.
but no, you
Very
seem
cool.
so friendly.
Thank
which is,
you.
Which is
I've
nice.
really been trying to work on myself. Hey guys, totoo yun. At least
It's a learning process.
Ako.
Kasi
And like,
talaga, yeah.
I can't with people who can't seem to admit na parang ikaw yan. Oo, ganun talaga ako. May mga moments na ganun pa din ako. And I'm really trying. Feeling ko may factor in din na nahihiya din kasi ako.
That's
And
true.
hindi siya ka din halata because mukha lang akong galit.
Oo, may resting bitch face lang talaga. Pero nahihiya din kami minsan.
Oo, nahihiya din ako,
Oo.
Ting.
Yeah.
She's a softie. I mean, even back then. I mean, ngayon she's changing, but even back then. I mean, mas malambot siya sa akin, promise.
Oo.
Pero ito, I'm curious, did you have to unlearn anything more aside from the ones that you mentioned to be a better partner?
Ayun, unlearning ako ng not to speak talaga ng dire-diretso ng... Kasi too straightforward nga eh. I mean, there's a borderline ng sumobra na ako sa pagka-straightforward. Kasi walang preno.
Oh,
Ganyan.
yes.
Okay, let me hold back a bit on that.
Okay. How about you, Kylie?
Parang mas maano ko ngayon, mas maalaga. Kasi I feel like dati maalaga na ako.
Elderly
Pero
instincts?
mas maalaga pa ako now, I feel like. Parang I care more now. Dati kasi dead ma lang.
Di mo nabigyan ng gift.
Kaya ba, dead ma lang. Pero ngayon parang I feel like I'm a lot more maalag. And I really think of the person.
If you don't mind, like how many relationships have the both of you had before this relationship?
Sige, magbibilang ako. Ikaw, kaya mo bilangin?
Wow, ang dami!
Na 3 years si ate.
Paano ba ito tanggalin? Pwede i-mute nyo muna. Derek, i-mute nyo muna ha. Sorry.
4th ata si Kyle. Yung
Parang
legit.
four.
Yung legit
4
sa
out
akin.
of 4.
Both kayo.
5th ka.
5 ba ako?
Mas alam pa niya. Makakalimutin ka nga
Si
ate.
ano?
Pag-usapan niyo talaga yan, yung exes niyo.
Oo.
Parang 4 no.
4th ba ako? O 5th ako?
4th ka.
Out of all those relationships, do you think you're...
Hindi natapos. Dani, yung question kasi mahirap eh. Ito yung pinakamahirap.
Nakakala. Do you think your relationship, this relationship changed the way you defined love?
Ako, definitely.
Ako din naman, oh.
How? Like, kasi syempre, I think now, mas mature na talaga kayo compared to your past relationships.
Ay, ako na-realize ko na parang dito ko natutunan na hindi mag-give up agad.
Wow!
I swear.
That's what I need to
that-
work on.
Girl, dati, parang konting aberya lang. I'm like, I'm gonna freaking leave you, bitch. Bye. As in, ayoko na dito. Dead man na sa'yo. Break na tayo. Pero ngayon, parang I'm like, sige, ipag-iisipan ko kung anong pwede natin gawin. Ayusin
Love
natin.
is a
ganun.
choice talaga.
Love is a choice. Totoo yun.
Talaga. I mean,
Oo, tulog.
Hindi kasi akala ko ako yung ganun. Kasi dating stage. I mean, when you're starting to look for a relationship, mamimili ka eh. Medyo picky ka din. Alam mo yun? Dapat,
Pag unang red flag pa lang, wag na, tama
Oo,
na.
as in,
ganun siya.
Ganun ako ngayon. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Pero kasi, I don't know, with Kylie, there are some things na hindi ako used to or parang hindi ako sanay to be with. Pero, I thought siya yung mas patient.
Mas patient pa ako sa'yo.
Ayun na nga, patient
Yun, mas
siya.
patient pa ako sa'yo.
Pero yeah, I mean, in terms of love in a relationship, it definitely changed my mindset and who I am actually. Because dati, akala ko in a relationship, kunyari, basta mag-connection kayo. Hindi naman eh. Parang, siguro dati puppy love pa ako or parang just found someone, ganyan-ganyan, na parang who cared. Not everybody who cared for you is gonna be your partner.
Yes.
Tapos, with Kylie, parang everything can be worked on in terms of, in such a way na hindi ako lang.
Oo.
Parang,
Relationship
even,
talaga.
Even as a guy, kasi akala nila na parang, oh, dapat lalaki, lahat lalaki, ganyan. Hindi pala. Pwede rin palang tulungan ka ng girls in term, not necessarily physical, but in terms of emotions or parang things you have to deal with day-to-day life.
That's so nice. Lord, tulungan mo ko. Live-in kayo, no? Like, for how long? For how long na kayo live-in?
Parang 2 years na din.
Yeah, matagal na rin.
Husband and wife.
Parang first year pa lang nag-live-in na kami agad.
Ang saya, ang bilis. You really knew na.
Oo.
That's nice.
Parang kasi syempre, dating, hindi naman kami, date to marry ako. So parang, I set na yung intentions noon bago ko siya in-ask to be my girlfriend. Parang ako, if gusto mo maglaro, edi maglaro tayo.
Okay.
Pero kung gusto mo maging relationship, I'm okay. I mean, I think there's a way to it din naman. Itong connection natin, ganyan. Tapos, siguro nag-start lang na ma-bring up yung live-in. It was a joke kasi may dog siya.
Okay.
Tapos, naka-condo sila. Bawal.
Bawal yung dog.
Eto matahol na ang dog.
Oh, no. Parang
Sabi
mga
sila,
singit yun, ate.
Pinapasok sa bag.
Shit. Oh.
first floor lang sila eh.
Okay.
So, parang madali lang.
Okay.
Tapos, parang there was a time na I was starting to look for a different apartment na ganyan. Tapos parang sabi ko, joke ko na what if i-add natin yung rent nating dalawa? It was a joke at first.
Okay.
Si ate mong girl ata nag ting 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 ting.
Why not?
Why not?
Yeah, I mean, kasi ganun na din eh. Parang lagi akong pupunta sa place niya. Na parang hindi ko na tinitiran yung apartment ko.
Correct.
Okay. So, logically speaking,
Yeah.
that's also the nice.
Tapos yun.
Hindi naman siya big adjustment kung nag-live-in kayo.
It was. It was. But
Oo.
not really for us. But because
Parang hindi sa amin.
What do you
Yung
mean?
adjustment wasn't fully about us.
Okay.
I think the adjustment is parang in any kind of relationship that does a live-in, tapos may kasamang parents,
So, kasama niyo parents?
my mom.
Okay.
ayun.
And I think in any kind of relationship, it's a struggle talaga na may kasamang parent sa bahay. So, I think that was the big adjustment for...
Parang kayo nagme-make love.
Dead ma lang. I mean, cool.
Tita.
My mom's cool kasi. Parang
Okay.
whatever dead ma siya.
She's
Parang,
a cool mom.
Oo, I'm not a regular mom. Ganun
cool.
atake. Meron ka mga moments na parang the next day, ang ingay nyo kagabi ha. Ganyan. Si
oh my
mother,
gosh, I
ganun
love
lang siya dead ma.
Even with my family kasi, open din with...
Oo, ganun din. Family din ito. First time ma-meet ko nga yung tita nito.
Pwede ba yan? Kasi
Yung tanong sa akin, nag-sex na kayo? Ganun sa akin ang
I
tita
love
niya.
it. I love
Oh my
it.
God.
ganun sila
So nice kasi both your families also are very
Oo.
open about it, very supportive about
Tapos sagot
it.
ko sa tita niya, opo.
Sarap ba? Buti di tinanong. Shit.
Opo. Nagano na po kami, laban naman.
I love it. Anyway, okay, sige. Let's go to this next segment. It's called Landian with Kylie and Jan.
No.
Simple lang naman. Who's most likely to? Okay, so either Kylie or Jan. Sabay kayo sumagot ah. Okay. Who's most likely to spoil the other person?
Spoil. In terms of case.
Yeah.
Ano?
Hindi ko alam.
Ang tagal.
Figo siya.
Ako talaga.
Kylie.
Nagbago na kasi. Nagigif na kasi.
Hindi mo na
Random,
nakakalimutan.
kahit random day, kahit walang special, nagbibigay ako ng bongga.
Okay, period. Okay. Who's most likely to do something embarrassing in public?
Jan, madami ako video proof. Isa na kay Dani.
Sige, palagay na lang. Roll VTR.
Tinroll natin yung VTR dyan.
Okay.
Feeling ko, buti hindi ako kinakaya eh.
Oh, hindi. Cannot be.
The quirks and everything. Okay. Who's most likely to apologize first after an argument?
Hmm.
Kylie.
Kahit hindi ko kasalanan. Charay.
Ay, ganyan din ako.
Oo.
Bisa maayos lang.
Grabe naman.
Minsan kahit di ko kasalanan, nagsasorry pa din ako. Kahit sa friends, ganun din.
Para lang maayos.
Para maayos agad.
That's nice. Okay, who's most likely to overspend on dates? So, yung nagtuturuan.
Yeah.
Kylie.
Oo.
Okay. Pero love language mo na. Okay naman sa'yo.
Oo. Laban ko na siya.
Who's most likely to initiate difficult conversations?
Jan, for sure.
That's nice. Eto, who's most likely to make the first move if you met all over again?
Still me.
Still you.
Yeah, still me.
Still
Doesn't change,
you.
doesn't change.
Ano ba kayo? Yin and yang kayo?
I think. I think.
Lalo na pag
Sorry.
social,
Yeah.
Oo.
Pero
So,
I'm trying. Like,
Yeah.
right now, I'm trying.
Okay. Lalo na sa lifestyle mo, girl.
Oo.
Influencer,
Hindi, ano na nga to,
events.
nagsasalita na nga eh. Dati
good
ano
job.
ko yung ginaganyan-ganyan ko ba yung parang salita.
Your turn, your
Oh,
turn.
ikaw na.
Okay, eto. Let's stop with the who's most likely to, but what's the most thoughtful thing your partner has done for you?
Oh my God, ang dami.
Aww.
Ako, siguro yung time na sinamahan niya akong puntahan pumunta ng hospital. For me, yun. Yung when she's there for me to do the things na dapat ako lang naman. But she's willing to go. Parang, I'll be there for you. Parang, I'll do it with you. Ganun.
Yeah.
Ako yung... Hala, dalawa siya eh. Parang dalawa yung parang top of mind.
Go.
Yung isa na lang, yung birthday ko. Oh my gosh, naiinis ako kasi parang buwisit ka birthday ko tapos hindi mo ko sasamahan, nakakatid sa place. Tapos aberya ako na parang like, what the heck? Bakit hindi mo ko sasamahan? Tapos, pagdating ko doon, bumukas yung gate, tapos, hala, ang dami ng mga flower and mga pumpuruho. Tapos, eto pa, may mga may mga notes. May mga sticky notes na nakahilera kasi nag-Airbnb kami. Nakahila-hilera, mga sticky notes sa may mga chika.
Mga love letter,
Oo,
ganun.
tapos
Ay, bongga.
pagpasok ng room namin, hala, ang bongga, ang daming bulak.
Parang tampo ka pa.
Talaga,
Alam mo na ngayon.
Pasabog.
Ang ganda mo, girl. Mahal na
Pasabog
mahal.
siya.
Eto, right now that you're like 3 years together, like move in na talaga, like para kayong husband and wife levels, what's a small thing your partner does that makes you feel loved? Kasi I think that's one thing that couples forget, lalo na pag matagal na, yung mga small things that you
Ako,
appreciate.
for me, pag nilulutuan niya.
Aww.
Kasi hindi siya, kahit prepare lang, hindi naman like niluluto in general. Kahit prepare lang. Kasi
I-plating.
Oo, he makes me like sandwiches. And like yun yung fave. Kagaya kaninang morning, sabi ko, hala, may sandwich. Pasabog. May mga ganong mga moments. It's actually, for me, parang yung small moments, yung like, pasabog.
Yeah. Aww.
For me, labag pag nasa car, tapos ginagano niya yung neck ko. Kasi parang, okay, pagod na ako eh. I mean, you don't understand yun siguro kasi passenger princess ang ate ko.
Next time, ko na yung princess. Nag-aaral na ako mag-drive.
So yeah, checking up on me lang whenever na, are you okay? Or are you doing that?
Aw, that's so nice. Okay, sige. So, before we end, I also want you guys to give your advices or even landi tips to our flirty butterflies. So, eto, on the serious side, what advice would you give queer people scared to openly pursue love?
Ang pinaka-advice ko dyan is parang don't ever be scared to take a chance. Parang kasi if you put yourself in a situation na parang ito lang yung gusto ko, hindi mo malalaman kasi kung ano ba talaga yung gustong-gusto mo talaga.
That's true if you
hin-
don't experience it.
Oo, kapag like super, ito lang yung ko.
Fixed
Ito
ka na sa
fixed na ako,
standards
ito na
at
yung standard
non-negotiables
ko. Ito
mo.
lang hinahanap ko, dead na sa
Oo.
inyo. parang if you get away from that, go out of your comfort zone, get to know people the way that you should get to know everyone, nang wala kang expectation
Huwag kang dumepende
parati.
sa social media, sa standards mo,
Oo.
babe. Oh, di ba?
Parang dun mo siya masasabi na parang, okay, ito pala talaga yung gusto ko. Kasi hindi mo malalaman kung fit kayo as a couple kung hindi ka magbibigay ng chance. Parang for me, imagine mo kung hindi ko naman tinry to date trans men, hindi ko din malalaman or hindi ko din mamimit si Jan.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
I don't know where to start. Wow, dami. Nobel na to. Charot.
Asabog.
Hindi, pero, paano ba? I will start with, hanapin mo yung person na kaya mong gumising everyday with that face. I mean, physical. Kunyari, you have a
galit ka na
standard.
nga, tas ganun yung mukha, mas mapipikon ka pa, be. Di ba? Oh.
So, for me, accept na physical talaga yung unang tinitignan. Tapos, so, syempre, hindi mo naman makikita yung height niya the next day. Like, yeah. And then, the next is be open. Parang, be open in a sense na, what you do, kunyari, you message a person, di ba? Whatever you say kasi, it's a matter of doubler and dammer thing, di ba? Yung sinasabi nila. So, to a doubler, okay yun. Regardless of how you say it. Pero dammer siya, kunyari, hi pare. So, parang may tone na, hi pare. Parang may depende siya sa kausap mo. How they will take it, which you cannot control. So, be yourself regardless of kung sino yung mini-message mo, ganyan. Don't be scared to put yourself out there. Kasi kung hindi nila tanggap, edi hindi yun for you. Wag mo ipilit din.
Oo.
Wag mo ipilit na, hindi niya ako gusto.
Pag di ka gusto, date ma'am, maghanap ka ng iba.
Oo,
Ayun,
totoo.
You have self-worth. Parang appreciate your self-worth. Self-love siya. And then, from there, you can share to somebody someday na smooth lang. As in, you don't need to change much of you. And malalabas niya pa kung yung more of you as a person. So, yes.
How do you guys keep the spark or like the kilig alive? Uy, may naisip.
Ayaw niya. Sasabihin ko.
Hindi. Tigil mo yan. Pahinga mo yan. For me, lagi po kaming naglalaro ng gawa-gawa baby.
Late nag-register.
Hindi, pero ba?
Hindi. Pag ako, chinika ko yun, tapos ito, chichika mo din. Mayos ka.
Sige, go.
Ano nga ba, for us, Spark? Parang feeling ko wag mo talagang kakalimutan na maging malambing. Yun yung always. Kahit napagod ka na, kahit na hindi mo na kaya, maging malambing ka lang and always reassure your partner and always say, I love you. Yun talaga yun for me.
Yeah.
Kasi pangag wala ka ng gana, wala na.
Totoo.
Parang yung spark kasi, hindi ako naniniwala na may kailangan kang gawin totally for that spark. Actually, parang choice mo talaga siya.
Yeah.
Parang kailangan nasa pakiramdam at damdamin mo siya. Hindi siya nagpe-produce ng may ginagawa.
Yeah, gets.
So, yun. Sa akin, physical touch. Na-affection talaga siya. Na parang, as in lambing. Mahal, gusto ko ng lambing. Ganun.
Oo, ganun
As in, lagi. Not necessarily gumawa ng kung ano-ano.
Gumawa ng baby. Magpe-play ng mommy, daddy. Charot.
Yeah. Hugging her before we sleep. As in, lambing.
Hugging lang ba talaga?
Hugging lang.
Hugging and humping.
Diyos ko, die.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Arigato
guys.
gozaimasu.
Eto na lang, fill in the blanks. So, pwede each of you answer like one of
Okay.
you lang. So, love is blank.
Love is something na you should be proud of.
Wow.
And love is something na will bring the best in you. Because, I mean, pag genuine siya, mafe-feel mo naman siya in such a way na wala kang kailangan baguhin, na parang wala kang iibahin to yourself.
For me, love is love. Charot lang. Hindi talaga. I think for me, love is not forced. Parang love is found. Hindi siya like hinihintay. hinahanap siya. Parang if you just stay put, hindi mo mahahanap yung love.
Period. I love that. Okay.
Yeah.
Ito, my partner makes me feel blank.
The baddest bitch in the game.
Slay. Ganon dapat.
My partner makes me feel pogi. Kasi dati wala yung confidence ko na to say it, pero she makes me feel that I am. So I believe that I am.
Your bitch.
Yun.
Ito, last. One thing I hope people understand about a relationship is blank.
That we genuinely love each other at hindi po kami babalik na maghahanap ng tite or pepe.
Ano yun? Factory reset?
Hindi po
Meron
kami
naman.
magpa-factory reset. Kami po ang factory.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
But yeah, people siguro, I don't know, na love can be found in people or people na you're open to learn things tapos you can grow it.
Yeah. Oh, thanks guys. Thank you so much. Pasabog ang ating last
Andar.
guest for this Pride Month. Thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
making time,
Thank you.
guys. Do you want to plug anything? Your social media, your podcast?
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at the Kylie Celebre. Doon po ako nagbabaliw-baliwan ng mga kung ano-anong mga makeup, ganyan. Anong gusto niyo
Oo, yung mga makeup niya, mga ibon na
Oo,
siya. Mamaya
diba?
oranggutan.
Actually,
Flower.
Ako,
tahong. Depende lang sa fantasy. Oo.
can follow me on TikTok and Instagram with Jad Pablo with 3 O's at the end. Also, you can follow us on Spill the Tea for our podcast.
Thanks so much, guys. And also for those of you who are listening or who are watching on Spotify and on YouTube, don't forget to follow on Spotify, leave a 5-star rating, and don't forget to leave your Rolandizations in the comments. And tag them also if you want to share this in your stories, in your My Days. If their love story made you, I don't know, laugh or be inspired, thank you so much. And also on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, always keep your head up high and learn from troubles that pass you by. Follow me everywhere, Danny Buenvenida, DANIBUENVENIDA, and on Instagram, Landian with Danny. Thank you so much. Let's say Landi responsibly in 1, 2, 3.
Landi responsibly.